Respected dignitaries on the dais, youths, audience, and the people of Kasomtang. A very good afternoon to one and all. As our friend has mentioned about lots of achievement and the sacrifices, hardships, difficulties which has been faced previously. I will start from the same page, and I would also share something which will be based on my 12 days experience, because I have joined here only 1st October of this month only. First thing, regarding assistance, aid and help from the government. I have been worked in government of Uttar Pradesh, government of India and government of Manipur also. This is my fourth district in Manipur. I have been served in Churchandpur, Senapati, Bisenpur, and this is my fourth district. I have been also served in secretariat for a long time. Based on my experience and knowledge, I would say we all are as a member of big family where head is the government. Being the head of family, intention of government is always to serve the people, to help the people and think about their safety. Let me start first from this COVID pandemic, because since first day of this COVID, I have been working very closely. I know the kind of hardships which has been faced by the people, but at the same time, the kind of help, assistance was provided and is still being provided from the government. We should also appreciate that. Regarding health and safety of the people, vaccination program was started, which is still being done. Amongst all the 16 districts, when I was there in Bisenpur, we have achieved target 76 for the whole district. But as my friend has mentioned about this particular village, they have achieved more than 90%. I have a great appreciation for everyone. They have done great job and they also came forward by their own. But still, we should also encourage about the remaining 10% people. We should also focus about the second dose. Unless we'll get the both doses, we cannot say that we are safe. I can assure the moment people will ready and they will mobilize under the leadership of my friend, I can send medical team at any time, any place. Regarding different schemes, I would also must mention here, under MGNREGS, people are getting benefit. Under PMAYG, eligible persons, they are also getting houses. The first step towards the change is awareness, is an awareness. From last 10 days, I have seen in front of many banks, people were lying in the queue. Why? Still there is a queue. It's okay, it's okay. No, it's okay, please. I'll continue, please. Why people are still in the queue? It comes also about our awareness, how aware we are. It's a digital era. It's a 21st century where everyone have this smartphone. Simply we can download. There are many apps for digital payment. Bhim app is there, Phone Pay is there, Paytm is there, through which we can just, with our single tip, we can receive and transfer the fund. We can make payment at any grocery shops. So what is the need to be in the queue? It also is a kind of an awareness. Our people, they are wasting their time 2 hours, 3 hours in the queue. It's also pandemic time. So better to start working in this direction also, since our leaders, they are quite young. And I do hope, being the part of youth, it's our responsibility how we are going to lead our public. This leadership, in my personal belief, it's a kind of a process rather than a person. This leadership is a kind of process rather than a person. It means every youth have a potential capacity to become a leader. Only thing, when they are going to realize their power, their potential. If things are not going well in our outer world, it means something which is not going well in our inner world. Let me just mention there is a one wealth principle which calls TFAR. T stands for thought, F stands for feelings, A stands for action, R result stands for result. Means thoughts leads to feelings, feelings leads to action, and action leads to result. The basic question is here, what we are thinking, in which direction we are thinking, what kind of thoughts do we have. These thoughts are produced in our mind only. My basic focus area is basically awareness amongst the youth. Our youth has to come forward if they want to lead their society, their community, their village, their district. They should have also an exposure of outer world. Yes, few of them we can enter in politics, few of them we can enter in social work, few of them we can also enter in government service, few of them we can also go outside and have an exposure of entrepreneurship, so that once we'll come back in our society, in our village, in true meaning, we can lead our people, public, we can lead our people. Again, if I come about this awareness, there is a PM Kisan. One scheme is there, PM Kisan, under Agriculture Department. People can avail some benefit under this scheme, which is being run from the 2019 itself. Many people have already been benefited. Still, eligible beneficiaries can visit to our Agri Department and they can also apply for the same. There's a Startup India scheme is there. If anyone, those who have some innovative idea, they can start new business. For the same, if they want financial assistance, they can apply for a loan. There's a PMEGP, Pradhan Mantri Employment Generation Program, under which anyone who is wish to start a business can apply for a loan. DIC is there, District Industry Center, where we can visit and apply for the same and can avail the benefit. With these words, I would again request all the youths to come forward. It's a digital era. All information which is available in our smartphone on single tip, we can have all kind of knowledge, experience, and the awareness about the different scheme which is being run by the central government and state government also for the welfare of public, so that you cannot get the benefit for your, but you can also aware your brothers and sisters. So that's it for now, for today. But with these words, I wish tremendous, successful, and also true happiness of the people of this Kasomtang. Thank you very much. Thank you.